So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Teleservices share. So previously, when we have done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the important supports and resistances. So after many days of correction, today the stock has given a very good reversal. So morning itself in the Telegram group, I've mentioned that focus on TTML when the circuit got opened and when the buying volume started increasing. So clearly I told focus on TTML. So that's why I tell you need to be attentive in Telegram. So we discuss stocks for intraday, swing and long term as well. So do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the description. And if you have not yet subscribed the channel, then definitely subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before going to the technical charts of TTML, so we'll try to analyze how the stock has performed in the recent times. So we can see almost 4 days the stock has given lower circuits. So not direct lower circuit. So 2 days even it has opened, but again it used to get closed in that lower circuit, and market was also not stable since the past few days. We know little bit of recovery was seen in Nifty, but today again we have seen a correction and again it has tried to go up, again it has come down. So little bit of fluctuations are still present in the market because of various global factors. So talking about TTML, so directly morning itself a good buying volume was generated. Suddenly it has gone to the upper circuit. So within minutes all those things happened. So I've mentioned that clearly in Telegram group also. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see in the coming sessions what are the important levels that we need to focus. Okay, so when you try to observe the weekly chart of TTML, so we can see from 190 rupees level, we have seen correction in the stock, and you can see the low level to which it has went was somewhere around 150 rupees level. So whatever the gap was there here, the stock has completely filled that. So now again after filling the gap, the stock is now trying to go in the upside direction. So the next levels that the stock will be facing would be 180 and then 190 rupees level. So these are going to be very important levels that you need to keep in radar. So once it crosses that 190, then 200 would be the near term level. So after closing above 200, we can expect the stock to continue the further rally. So always have that patience, invest in portions. So don't put your entire capital at a single go, because already the stock is in NSE BE category. So what happens in NSE BE category? So once you're invested, you need to hold for T+2 sessions. You cannot do any intraday trading or BTST trades. So obviously you need to hold for 3 days. So if you invest entire capital, if the stock again retraces, again you won't have funds to average. So keep those points in mind before you put entire capital. So talking about TTML, so first support would be somewhere around the same 150 rupees level. So that is going to be important support in the near term. And next immediate resistances, first one would be 180 and second one would be 190 rupees level. So this is in weekly chart. So let's even discuss on daily chart. Okay, so once you observe the daily chart, you can see a very good move in the stock. It has given a very good move. So back to back openings were there after it has entered into NSE BE category. So again little bit of correction, a very good price action. So this correction is very important for a very good up move. So we can expect the same 190 rupees level the stock will retest in the coming session. So high chances are there it will approach to that 190 rupees level again, and if it gives a closing this time with very good buying volume, then easily the stock will head towards 250 rupees level. Only thing is 190 you should break it and closing about 200. So if these two things are completed successfully, then nothing can stop TTML from going till 250 plus. So if it is failing to do that, if it is again going to 190, again it may approach the same 180 rupees or 150 or 160 rupees levels. So chances are there, but in the coming weeks the stock may continue the uptrend towards the 190 rupees level. So keep holding it So any swing traders also, they can search for buying opportunity. So nothing to worry about that. Only thing is market condition. So how is the market condition? If market condition also is in green side, that is on positive side, then all these stocks also will continue the same uptrend. Okay, so any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram id is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.